The intern program at Komatsu is a very important source of new engineers and new professionals in general. It's kind of like right at the beginning of the pipeline to feed people into the system.
After joining to Komatsu, I exposed new technologies and I learned how to deal with the real projects. That was a great experience for me.
I am interning in the shovel engineering department, and I've worked on projects ranging from stabilizing the new 4800 XPC rope shovel to calculating the dig forces throughout the digging cycle of some of the rope shovels.
You get to work side by side with real engineers trying to solve problems. Basically, I get to take a real problem, figure out a solution, design what I need to, and then I can actually go and implement it in the lab.
What I think Komatsu has to offer for our interns is real-world experience. Our interns get to work with the customers themselves, work on projects that we're working on with them. Most of our interns too that do work on the engineering side can go to a mine site and actually get to see the machines in action, so that's pretty neat.
The intern program here at Komatsu Mining Corp in Milwaukee in particular is one that I've been very passionate about in my time here, of wanting to make sure that we're delivering experiences for the next generation that are engaging, they're meaningful work, that you're not sitting and just writing spreadsheets or that, but you're engaged in real-world projects and getting a chance to experience what is Komatsu Mining, what are the opportunities here, and really connecting with the people here.